Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install BOMBANANA on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam opens, click on the search bar at the top. Now type BOMBANANA and press enter. From the search results, click on BOMBANANA to open its store page. Next, scroll down and click Add to Library. Steam will display a message confirming that the game has been added to your library. Now click on the Library tab. Find BOMBANANA in your game library and click on it. After that, click the Install or Download button. The game will now begin downloading and installing on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click play to launch the game and enjoy. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.